So, ayun. Good evening, guys. So, nasa Turnitin po tayo. May access po tayo sa Turnitin to check my paper kung meron itong plagiarism or AI. So, makikita natin kung ilang percentage yung mga AI or plagiarized na content or text na nilagay natin sa paper natin. So, nakapili na ako ng file, submit file, tapos upload and review. So, waiting lang. Uploading na yung file. So, makikita natin dito sa preview na from page 1 to 22 lahat yon. And then, file size, ayan. Word count, 2,901. Then, submit to Turnitin to check nga yung content. Yung validity ng papel. Submission complete. So, ayan. Wait na natin. Na-upload siya ngayon, April 25, 2025, 9:16 PM. Makita natin yung grade and similarity ng paper na or yung file na in-upload ko. So, ito, makikita natin dito yung icon na download paper, yung file. Tapos, ito naman yung pangatlong symbol. Makikita natin yung download digital receipt for this file. So, wait natin. Wala pa siyang grade. So, ayan. Refresh natin. So, meron itong similarity, 27%. Pero, yung lumabas sa similarity is yung sa template, yung sa format, sa header. Which is normal lang naman. 'Di ba? Nakalagay dito yung red na highlights. So, 27. Color red siya, no? Republic of the Philippines, MPC, Marikina Polytechnic, yung address. So, this is normal. And then, this one, represented to the faculty, Marikina Polytechnic, ayan, by. So, yon normal lang yon. Normal lang din to. Normal it is normal. The null hypothesis, pati yung there is no significant difference in evaluation of T. Again, this is normal. Yes. $27, no? Yan, match overview, 27 similarity check. Nakikita dito yung mga link pinagmulan nun. Course Hero, submitted to Marikina Polytechnic College. What's this? depedgov.ph. Our Lady, Fatima. So, ayan, may mga percentage. What's this? Exclude quotes. 5 words. Apply changes. And then, 27. So, X na natin. So, this is, ganito gumagana yung Turnitin. So, ayan. Download digital receipt for this file. this one is the link, right? So, Turnitin digital receipt. This receipt acknowledge that Turnitin receive your paper. So, submission ID, then submission date, character count, word count. So, ayan. Doon po magtatapos yung kung paano ginagamit ang Turnitin. So, by the way, para maka-access po kayo ng Turnitin, it's either bibili kayo ng account na license para ma-access nyo, or isa kang teacher na may account sa school organization and then ilalagin mo yon para maka-access ka. So, ayun, bye!